Hello everyone, welcome to our new video today. I'm going to introduce our new product on my right hand. This is a single tower, 2 tabs, beer Kegerator dispensers. Let me give you the overall dimensions first. Entire length of the unit is about like a 24 and 1/4 inches wide. And the depth of the unit is about like a 24 inches too. And the overall height of the units from bottom to the stations is about like a 36 inches. From the station, this single tower tabs, the topping height is about like a 16 inches. Now when we look in the front, we're having the open the door space right here. And on the stickers, we can see they can fit in the 1/4 inches diameters. The tanks you can fit in for 2. So the inner side dimensions entirely about like a 21 inches wide. And the overall heights, they are almost about like a 28 inches tall. We can see they do have the racks. You can adjust the heights. They give you the slidings. On the side, you can adjust the different stylings for that. And also have 2 connections for the topping caps. When we look in the inner side, we can see they do have air circling fans behind, and also the bottom things here. They mount the compressor and the coil systems right here too. And from the front, we also can see they do have a temperature adjusters with a small digits displays. And you can set in the temperature display as the Celsius or Fahrenheit. So let's turn around to see the units behind. So when we look in the behind, we can see they have a CO2 tanks right here. And you need extra about like 6.5 inches deep for the space to install this tank on it. And look in the stickers, they give it all the cost sheets informations with the CSA, the sanitation stickers on it, and also our brand's informations using the 110 powers, 60 hertz, and using about like a 1.2 amps for the units, and the Freon using the R600A. So that's what be the all demonstration information about the products. If you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.